All right, this video, I'm going to talk about the 2-2C extension. If you're watching this video just for some hints, then please, I encourage you to pause the video after you have enough hints and then unpause it once you've tried some. It says, we're going to work in numerical order. We're going to draw lines with the slope listed. And when you're done, you'll discover the correct route to the treasure box. By the way, there's only one answer for this. Also, by the way, your path won't cross over itself. So if you are drawing and you sort of zigzag back over top of some of your pathways, that's incorrect. All right, so I'll show you what I mean. And maybe you already started, but you feel stuck. So we're going to do a slope of 3 or 3 over 1 because that's equivalent. So that means we're going to rise 3 and run 1. So the first spot we're going to go to is there. So we're starting here and we're just going to make our way. So we're done with that one. Now we're going to go to a quarter. So positive a quarter means rise 1, run 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're good so far. Next, we're going to do negative 2/5. And we're going to rise down 2, and we're going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 2/5. Well, I'm not seeing this slope on here, so we got to figure out what's going on here. Down 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it's not landing there. Oh, wait. How about if we were at this point? Let's see. So if we get to this point, let's see if this has a slope of negative 2/5. Down 2 and right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and if we kept going, this would be down 2 and right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be here, which means that we did actually a path of negative 2/5 slope, but we're going to land at that point. All right, that was kind of like a trick question there. We kind of had to go backwards to get to our point. But if we now count out our slope, like from the 2-2C lesson, this line does have a slope of negative 2/5. If that was why you're watching the video and you feel like you want to try the rest of it, then maybe pause the video. We're going to do 0 now. So 0 means we're going to go here because it's the only choice, and that's 0 slope. Next, we're going to do a slope of 1. Slope of 1 is right across the diagonal. I can't get to the answer yet. Oh, it's right here. So that's also a slope of 1. Let's double check. So this is rise 1, run 1, which is 1. Or if I do it backwards, it's rise down 1 and run left 1. And those two negatives make that positive. So that's correct. We got that one. Now we're going to do negative 1. Negative 1 must be here. So that's down 3, right 3, which simplifies to negative 1. Then we're going to do undefined, which is a vertical line. And then we're going to do 2/7, positive. Oh, I don't see anything. Oh, I'm guessing 2/7 is probably this one. That if I were to go from the left point to the right point, it's up 2, right 7. 3/2. Up 3, right 2. 1/3, we're almost done. Negative 3/4. We just barely missed that point. And I'm guessing the last one, cool, is 3 or 3 over 1. That means rise 3, run 1. All right, so we got to the treasure. Let's kind of zoom out and see what we're going for. There it is. There's the path. We never crossed over itself. There was a couple of times where we kind of instead of kind of going forwards in the graph, we kind of went backwards, but it was an equivalent move. And we do that with graphs as well. So this was the 22C extension.